driving around the track, the North Circuit, and then the weaving in and out on the South Circuit. Brilliant, excellent.
It's been fantastic, really good. Really enjoyed the Classic Tour. Probably the best part of the day.
It's been a great experience. I've had a really great time. The instructors have been fantastic. I've loved every minute of it. It all blends into one wonderful experience. I'd recommend it to anybody who's got the opportunity to do it.
Very good day. Had a few with a big corporate a few years back, and nothing quite matches this. So yeah, it's been really enjoyable. Yeah.
Oh, it's brilliant. You know, it's not the usual thing you get to do. So to have this opportunity, I guess with the sponsors, yeah, it's brilliant.
The speed and the adrenaline, I really enjoyed that, and the instructors are absolutely brilliant. Can't beat it.
Corporate golf days and experience days before, and I think if I was going to give a recommendation to a business on where to take their customers or prospective clients to have something they're going to remember for months and years afterwards, I think bring them here, because you've shared an experience that has been pretty epic, and I think that's awesome.